Xiaomi has launched the MIJIA Cross Door Refrigerator 430L in China. The refrigerator features an exterior made from Moyu rock metal slate with high hardness and a delicate touch. There are 17 compartments for storing a variety of food items. The new refrigerator has extra wide space, and its compartments feature a variable greenhouse mechanism. A pre-sale for the Xiaomi MIJIA Refrigerator Cross Door 430L has launched in China. The double-door fridge has compartments you can control with isolated temperatures and humidity settings. You can adjust the product settings with a built-in touchscreen panel, MIJIA app or Xiaomi voice commands. The refrigerator is capable of adjusting its temperature mode according to the type of food item, seasonal changes, and cooking needs. A silver-ion antibacterial and deodorant module help to absorb and decompose foul smells in the refrigerator. The efficiency of the antibacterial unit is 99.99%, while at least 91% deodorization is also achieved. The MIJIA Refrigerator 430L has a strong cooling capability and can freeze 7.4 kilograms of food within 12 hours. It uses a three-dimensional air supply system that ensures your food items remain fresh at all times. The refrigerator's door is equipped with a LED touch panel with straightforward controls. 3 cooling modes are available, and this can be adjusted via the touch panel. The refrigerator features overhead LED lighting that accentuates the room in some situations. It can also be controlled via the MIJIA app and Xiaomi voice assistant. The double-doored refrigerator measures 794 by 1800 by 688 mm or 31.3 by 70.9 by 27.1 inch. The product is rated as having first-class efficiency, consuming around 0.85 kWh per day. The Xiaomi MIJIA Cross Door Refrigerator 430L is available from Chinese retail platforms like JD.com for 2,399 yuan or $344. Global availability details of the product are lacking at this time. Very attractive price, but unfortunately only for China. I hope the refrigerator will be available globally at a similar price. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.